So if you guys are a regular subscriber or a regular follower of my channel, you guys will know that I got this MP3 player a few days ago, about like 2-3 days ago, and I have been enjoying this player. I mean, there's for a small little player and for the price, it came with a lot of features. One of the features being that this little player right here has two outputs, one for regular 3.5 and a balanced output. The balanced output, you can drive high impedance headphones up to 600 ohms. So it's got a pretty powerful amplifier inside that balanced output. And I wanted to test that out. Unfortunately, I don't have the high impedance headphones. I will be getting a new one in a few days, which will probably test that out. But what I did for the moment is I got this Geekria 3.5 female to 2.5 male adapter, headphone adapter. I didn't notice that. I didn't know at the time, but they also sell 2.5 male to 2.5 3.5 male cables, which probably what I should have gotten, but this is nice. So there's a few of these on Amazon that you can get. The other two that I was looking at, they were like $5.99 and $7.99, and it came in a pack of two. This one only came with one. But what I liked about this is that it seemed like it had a higher quality. And look at this. It even comes in a bag. I don't know if the other ones that I was interested in would come in this little, it's like a nice little, like, almost feels like it's like a brushed nylon feeling or felt type bag. It feels really nice and soft, and I guess it's got the Geekria logo right here in the middle. So it's a nice little drawstring bag for just this little adapter right here. And this is the adapter. And that's it. That comes in. That's all it comes in. You got the warranty card, the bag, and the actual adapter itself. So what I want to do is I want to test this out for today, just to see, number one, because the other ones that I looked at, some of them say it doesn't work, or some of them were saying that they don't work if you're trying to use inline mic. Now, I don't plan on using the inline mic on any of my headphone cables. I just want to see if my headphones can be driven at a higher volume with the 2.5 connector versus the 3.5. And so I do have the headphones for that, because my Audio Technica solid bass, they have a output power of like 1000 milliwatts, more than any of my other headphones. So I'm gonna test that out and see how loud I can drive them. I can drive these headphones, the solid bass. Review coming soon. I want to see how loud I can drive the output on these solid bass headphones with that 2.5 connector, or that 2.5 the 2.5 connector here with this 2.5 adapter. So here is the actual adapter itself out of the bag, and there's the Geekria logo right there, the letter G on it. It's like a silver color adapter. It's got this nice knurling right here to give you more grip, and the ends are all gold plated. As you can see, this is a balanced output, and this is a balanced output too. That's, I think, why it was more expensive. Plus the pin layout, or the whatever this is right here, the marking the green, but it'll be in the description. So I don't know if you guys ever heard of Geekria. This is the first one of the first times I've heard of them, but they make a lot of headphone accessories, just like another company, Brainwaves. But I don't know if Brainwaves makes cables or adapters. But Geekria makes anywhere from like cables, adapters, ear pads, headphone bands, headphone stands. So they make a bunch of products that specialize with headphones. So they should be a pretty good company, right? So I am going to connect this to the cable on my Audio Technicas. So here are my Audio Technicas, and we're just going to hook it up. First of all, see if it fits. And there you go. It snaps into place. And now I'm going to plug this to the my MP3 / Hi Res music player. So now we're connected. So the only issue I'm going to have right now is I don't know if I can demonstrate it for you guys, because with this digital high res player, all I listen to is high resolution tracks and mostly Tidal. I've been listening to MQA, master quality authenticated music files, and FLAC music files. And the thing is, if I try to demonstrate it, I know I'm going to get a flag for the music that I'm going to use, because they're, copyrighted music. So the only way I can demonstrate this for you guys is if I look for a non-copyrighted music track. And to find one in high quality is probably going to be pretty difficult. So for now, I'm just going to do the listening test, and then I'll get back with you guys and see and let you guys know if it is louder or not. Okay, we're back. So I tested it out both with the 2.5 connection and the 3.5 connection, and I tried it with just 2 songs. Both of them had pretty good heavy bass, like this song right here from Kendrick Lamar. If you with good headphones, or at least the headphones that I have with good bass, I could feel the rumble through my head when the song plays on like that intro, where it has that big drop of bass in the beginning of the song. And there's a slight difference, but not really that big. There's a slight difference. I noticed the rumble on the bass on the beginning of the song. It would make the vibrations inside the headphones a little bit more, just a little bit, but not really any big or noticeable difference. And I kind of expected that, just because these are not really high impedance, super high impedance headphones. I think they're only like 16, maybe 20 ohms. The other headphones that I have, based off of a lot of other reviews, that one is going to have a higher impedance, and it's a harder to drive headphone, where basically they said if you have a regular smartphone, you're not going to be able to drive those headphones if you use it on a regular smartphone or whatever. So I was able to test out the mic, because this the Audio Technica has the inline mic cable right here, and it does work. Calling features work on with the adapter, so that's good. So if you guys are interested in using the adapter to make phone calls while you're using your MP3 player, or if you have a smartphone with a 2.5 connector that you need to make phone calls with, it does work. No issues. It's compatible with this cable and another cable that I tried out, which was this regular 3.5 cable with no inline mic, and that it worked with that one also, so no issues with that. This is the Geekria 3.5 female to 2.5 male audio adapter. You can get it on Amazon. At the time that I got it, it was $8.62 with Prime. Now I don't know if it's going to be worth it for you guys. Maybe you can look at the other headphones if they'll probably work too. But if you want something of a better quality, that also comes with this nice carrying bag. So that's what's pretty cool with this, that they offer this free carrying bag with this. I don't think the other ones will offer that. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this, I'll put a link in the description. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout advice. I'll test this out again with the other headphones that I'm getting soon that are supposed to be harder to drive. But that is it. Everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and we will see you soon for another video. Have a great day. It's nice of Geekria to include this carrying bag for this small headphone adapter, 2.5 adapter, because my MP3 player, when I got it, it didn't come with the carrying bag. Now, guess what? I have a carrying bag for my MP3 player, huh? That's pretty cool. And I could even, you know, put the cables in there with the adapter. Say something like that. There you go. And I'm all set. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So this is a nice addition with this 2.5 headphone adapter.